This is an ABC News special report.
And I think there is a danger when it comes to fake news, because there is some fake news out there.
This video, obtained by ABC News, appears to show the fury of the Turkish attack on the border town of Tal Abyad 2 nights ago.
This video right here appearing to show Turkey's military bombing Kurd civilians in a Syrian border town. A border town bombarded by Turkey's military.
Turkey has been pounding Kurdish fighters and civilians, leaving hundreds dead.
This video, obtained by ABC News, appears to show the fury of the Turkish attack on the border town of Tal Abyad.
You are fake news.